friends, Lara Craft here. Welcome to Lara Craft TV. Today, we're going to meet some new friends and learn all about honesty. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to the jungle of truth. Here, all the animals love to play and have fun. But most of all, they always tell the truth. But today, someone forgets to be honest. Now, let's find out who. Hi, I'm Ellie the elephant. I love to swim. Hello, I'm Bobo the monkey. I love to swing. Whee! Hi, I'm Zizi the zebra. I love to eat plants. Hello, I'm Lara the lion. I love to roar. Today, I'm having a jungle party and I need to get some things for my party. First, I'll pick up a basket of apples. Next, I'll need to find my ball. Did you see my football, Zizi? Oh yes, Ellie, here it is. Great, thank you, Zizi. Next, let's find the swimming float. Did you see the swimming float, Lala? Yes, Ellie, here it is. Thank you, Lala. Now, it's time to find some yummy bananas in the jungle. Ooh, yummy bananas. But whose bananas are these? Maybe I'll just take one or two or all of them. Whee! We can't seem to find any bananas. Do you know what happened to the bananas? Can you please tell us before the timer runs out? Wow! Did Bobo really take all the bananas? What should I do next? Ask Bobo or fight with Bobo? Fighting is never the answer. So, let's ask Bobo. Hey Bobo, did you take the bananas? I really needed those bananas for the jungle party today. I didn't take any bananas, Ellie. Oh no, we won't have any bananas for the party. Is Bobo telling the truth? What should Bobo do next? Tell the truth or keep telling lies? Oh no, Ellie is sad. I will tell the truth. I'm sorry, Ellie. I took the bananas. Here they are. Oh, Bobo, thank you for telling the truth. I forgive you. You should always tell the truth. It'll make your heart feel light, but a lie will make your tummy feel tight.
Honesty is the jungle way. It makes us happy every day. Roar with pride, stand up tall. Telling the truth is best of all. When you make a mistake, don't be shy. Tell the truth and don't tell a lie. Everyone makes mistakes, that's okay. Just be honest, it's the best way. Honesty is the jungle way. It makes us happy every day. Roar with pride, stand up tall. Telling the truth is best of all. Make a mistake, don't be shy. Tell the truth and don't tell a lie. Everyone makes mistakes, that's okay. Just be honest, it's the best way. Honesty is the jungle way. It makes us happy every day. Roar with pride, stand up tall. Telling the truth is best of all.